Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, I can't even believe that I'm saying this again, but put on your running shoes, grab your phone and your car keys, because we have an amazing run glitch deal that you are not going to want to miss out on. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now before we get into this new run glitch deal, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded a ton of other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We have so many crazy deals. I mean, it's amazing. Dollar General is absolutely on fire this week with how many deals that we have. I mean, we've got sales, clearance events, we have a penny list, new clearance markdown, 70% off home decor items, all kinds of run deals, and a humongous glitch list. We have tons of freebies and overages. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go back and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to remind everybody that the Dollar General clearance event does begin tomorrow on Thursday, August the 17th. Now, I am putting together an update video, but that will not be uploaded until first thing tomorrow morning, because I do want to double check a few things before I upload that video. So again, make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Now, let's go ahead and see what I picked up at Dollar General. Alright guys, so we have a huge run glitch deal. This one I don't think that you should wait on, which is why I'm recording from my car. So I just left Dollar General. I came back up here to do the notebook deal again, plus the Klondike ice cream deal. This one does expire today. Those coupons, the 2 off 2, do expire today. So if you wanted to get in on the Klondike deal, do not wait. Today is the last day to do that, all right? So, quick update. The notebook glitch is still working just fine at all registers. If you need the details on that run glitch, make sure that you go back and check out the previous video that I posted yesterday evening. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about this new run glitch deal. So remember that glitches can end at any time, and this is for sure a huge glitch in the system, and this will be fixed quickly. So make sure that you run out and do this deal now, ASAP. So let's go ahead and get into it. You want to be picking up Crayola crayons. Now, I had to do some digging for mine. My store says that they have like 200 in stock, but I believe that they are in a box in the back room. So I'm going to have to go back in there, sweet talk a couple of the employees, and hopefully they'll let me back there to dig through the boxes. But anyways, I found a total of 6. You want to pick them up in pairs of 2, because just like the glitch that we talked about yesterday evening, these are on promotion, buy 2 for $1. Okay, now what is happening is once you get up to the register, a promotion is kicking in. I'm not quite sure what is happening, but it is bringing the Crayola crayons all the way down to 1 penny each. All right, so here is a look at my receipt. Crayola crayons. The UPC code is right there. If you did not know, let me focus that in for you all. There's the UPC code, 71662000240. Crayola crayons, 24 count. These will ring up at $1.50 each. However, as y'all can see right here, there's a promotion that's kicking $2.94 off. And then down here at the bottom, it is kicking off $6. Now, this is without putting in any phone numbers or anything like that. This is not using that 2 off 10 stationary coupon. Okay, so I went through self-checkout. It did work perfectly. As you all can see, I picked up 6 boxes of crayons. There was 1 penny for the tax, so I paid 7 cents for 6 boxes. Now, I also tried this at the regular register with the Klondike bars and my notebooks. That receipt turned out perfectly. It's a little bit harder to look at and understand, but I promise you all it is working at the old register stores and self-checkout. Now, usually when these glitches work at self-checkout, typically they will also work at the new registers as well. However, with that being said, if you do try the new registers with the cashier, please come back and let us know. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to make it to another store or not this evening. But if you do try the new registers with the cashier, please come back and let us know if it worked for you. Like I said, I believe that it should, since it's working at self-checkout, but I'm not going to confirm that. You know, I'm not going to say that with 100% certainty. But for sure, this is working at self-checkout and is working at old register stores. Now, if you do this glitch with a cashier, I would recommend throwing in something else with your transaction, whether it be the notebooks or the ice creams or something along those lines. That way, this glitch might last a little bit longer and it won't tip as many people off, you know, right off the bat. All right, guys, so there you have it. Again, Crayola crayons, 24 pack, ringing up for 1 penny each. So run out now, grab this deal before it is gone, and please come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. Again, if you used a new register, old register, self-checkout, how many you bought, how much you paid, what time you did the transaction, all those things are very, very helpful for us down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Good luck everybody. I'm going to head on back into the store and see how many more I can find. Y'all let me know how it works out for you down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you